I was raised to be a leader because I'm the eldest in the family. We're 5 siblings. So it's like naturally my parents expected me to step up and lead my siblings. But when I was in college, I realized that I have passion to help people, to teach people. So I was in different organizations and I would volunteer to lead a project or an activity. But it was when I was in the corporate setting where I really found my passion and myself. I saw an opportunity to help people discover themselves and provide a vision. I joined the Business and Professional Women's Network because I wanted to connect with women who have experience internationally, who are successful women, and who can help me also fulfill my roles as a leader in different organizations. I wanted to connect and drive support also because it's hard being a leader. I wanted to help especially younger women reach their full potential as leaders. Each one of us is given gifts. It's incumbent upon us to discover what our strengths are, what our talents are, to develop these and share with people. There's so much potential in people, not just women, but everyone. There's so much potential in people, but sometimes they lack direction, they lack the vision. So leaders are there to provide the vision and the guidance and direction so that people who have potential can look up to something, something they can achieve. When I see problems, I feel inspired to step up and find solutions for those problems. And if I can encourage other people to help me work on the solution, then that's fulfillment on my part. They discover themselves, get to know themselves, express themselves, not to be shy with their talent. So use the talent wherever your service is needed. Find your passion, find your sweet spot, and then work hard to be of service to other people.